Google Shopping Ads is a form of advertising provided by Google that allows businesses to display their products in the Google Shopping section of the search engine results pages. These ads include images, pricing, and other relevant information about the products, making it easy for users to find what they are looking for. To use Google Shopping Ads, businesses need to create a Merchant Center account and upload their product data, including images, prices, and descriptions, to the platform. They then create campaigns within the account and set bids for their ads, which determine how much they are willing to pay for a click on their ad. When a user conducts a search on Google, the search query is matched against the product data uploaded to the Merchant Center. If the query matches a product in the account, the ad for that product will be displayed in the Google Shopping section of the SERPs. The ads are ranked based on a combination of the bid and the relevance and quality of the product and the merchant. Google Shopping Ads can help businesses to increase visibility and sales by reaching users who are actively searching for products similar to theirs. It's a cost-effective way to drive sales and reach the right audience at the right time.